getting all alone. Well, I told you, big fat bulldog, you better leave her alone. You better leave my getting all alone. You better leave my getting all alone. This dog is gonna get you if you don't leave her alone.